Hey everyone, it's Nomad Flair here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the new iPhone 15 Pro in titanium black. I'll be delving into the specifications, build quality, initial look at the camera capabilities, and price. Furthermore, I'll be also showing a new MagSafe case I picked up from Amazon, which is a quarter of the price of the original. In the next upcoming weeks, I'll be releasing several videos on the new iPhone 15 Pro, from accessories to outdoor camera tests, so be sure to subscribe to not miss out. Alright, here it is. The Pro models now come in a white box as opposed to the black which belongs to my old iPhone 13 Pro. I usually upgrade my iPhone every 2 years to experience notable improvements in performance, features, and capabilities. Both boxes have the same branding on each side. I decided to pick up the 256GB storage version as that tends to be more than enough storage for my use. Okay, let's open this up. And here we have the iPhone 15 Pro itself with a black minimalistic design. The black titanium color looks very pleasing to the eye. The Pro versions also come in natural, white, and blue titanium. However, black is my favorite color, hence why I went for it. Now, let's set the phone aside for a moment and see what else we have in the box. Here we have the new USB-C to USB-C braided charging cable. No more lightning cables finally. The charging cable is 100 centimeters long, i.e. 1 meter. Of course, no charging brick. You need to get your own, or you can still use the USB-C adapter from your previous iPhone. Followed by the pin, which allows me to pull out the SIM card tray. In the UK, we still use SIM cards. And then we have the typical Apple stickers and warranty cards. So the iPhone 15 Pro comes with an A17 Pro chip with 6-core GPU, which promises blasting fast performance and improved energy efficiency over the 14 Pro. The 15 Pro comes with a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. The 13 and 15 Pro are almost identical in design with a few variations. On the sides, the iPhone 15 Pro has a titanium brushed finish, whereas the 13 Pro has a shiny stainless steel finish. At the bottom, everything is the same except the ports. All iPhone 15 models have a new upgraded USB-C port, which of course was long overdue. On the other side, the volume buttons and SIM tray is located in the same place. The 15 Pro also comes with a new action button which replaces the mute switch that Apple uses on the 13 Pro. This action button is programmable, so you can set it to act as a mute switch, but also as anything else you desire, which I'll demonstrate later. Annoyingly, fingerprints are still visible on the titanium finish. However, they're not as noticeable as the previous models. Fortunately, fingerprints don't remain on the titanium textured matte glass back, so your old 13 Pro cases will not fit the newer 15 Pro. The main reason for that difference is that Apple is using a larger camera sensor on the new model. So the iPhone 15 Pro gets an extra large 48 megapixel main camera sensor with an improved 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, as well as a 12 megapixel 3x zoom lens. To add, the iPhone 15 Pro is the first iPhone to support USB 3, which is a huge leap when it comes to data transfer speeds, which is approximately 20 times faster than before. The new USB-C connector lets you charge your Mac or iPad with the same cable that you use to charge your iPhone 15 Pro, so therefore less cables. One important side benefit that I forgot to mention is that titanium is actually a lighter material, and therefore the 15 Pro weighs nearly 8% less than the 13 Pro, weighing around 189 grams. So this is my previous MagSafe case I was using on the 13 Pro, but as you can see, over time it developed an orangey color, which looks unpleasant. So I decided to order a new MagSafe compatible case for my 15 Pro, also from Amazon, but it's so much cheaper than the original Apple MagSafe cases. This cost me less than £15, which is a bargain. If you are interested in picking this up, I will leave the Amazon link in the description below. Let's unbox the case. The product comes with all the following, which includes 2 tempered glass screen protectors, which to be honest I never use, as I prefer seeing the vibrant colors coming from the True Tone display rather than through another glass layer. An installation kit which includes wipes that remove dust, and really cool stickers as well. I love the astronaut one, it looks so cool. Here we have the case itself. I opted for the black color, it looks really cool and modern, also feels very durable in the hands, and therefore I don't need to worry about protection. This is my Kioxia 3-in-1 magnetic charger, which I use to charge my Apple devices. This includes my AirPods, Apple Watch, and iPhone. The full review will be included in the description below. As you can see, this attached onto the iPhone itself, as well as the case. Alright, let's put on the case. The iPhone sits perfectly within the case, the fit is nice and snug, the camera lenses at the back are protected as the case sits over them, and the volume and charging ports are exposed. Really happy with this purchase, link below. Now we're going to quickly go through the setup process, which includes transferring files from the 13 Pro to the 15 Pro. The screen has a resolution of 2778 by 1284 pixels, delivering crisp visuals and vibrant colors. The ProMotion technology ensures a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making interactions silky smooth. Okay, so let's start off by selecting your language and the country or region you're in. When choosing the size of the text and the icons, you have several options to choose from. I preferred the medium appearance. Now set up your new device using an existing one. It will begin checking for any nearby devices. If you already have an existing iPhone, keep it relatively close. If you don't, you can skip this step. Perform a system update, make sure the device has enough juice. Scan your iPhone to begin the file transfer process. Set up your Face ID if you want. The file transfer process took me around 20 minutes, which isn't too bad. This included transferring my apps, my pictures, files, phone book, text messages, etc., which equated to 120 gigabytes of data. The action button, as mentioned earlier, can be assigned to do various things, such as put your iPhone on mute, turn on focus mode, activate your torch, launch the camera app, the magnifier, or the voice memo, and much more, which is an excellent addition to the iPhone 15. Onto the camera app, we can now change the zoom on the photo lens to resemble that of a DSLR camera, which is so convenient for mobile photographers like myself. The iPhone 15 also comes with improved low light conditions, which is great in dark environments. Everything else within the app is relatively the same, but I will make a dedicated video on the iPhone camera very soon. The iPhone 15 Pro is equipped with a 3274 mAh battery, which is advertised as providing up to 23 hours of battery life. Of course, I will carry out more tests before commenting on this in my upcoming videos. And lastly, of course, the price of the iPhone. So the base iPhone 15 Pro at 120 gigabytes of storage will cost you around £1,000 or $1,000. Whereas for the 256GB version that I went for, that's an extra $100, which therefore cost me £1,100, which isn't too bad. And of course we have the 512 and the 1TB if you want to go for that. Okay everyone, that was my unboxing and initial impressions of the iPhone 15 Pro. Like I said, more videos to come, so please subscribe and drop a thumbs up on this video, I'd really appreciate it. Comment down below if you're planning to pick up the 15 Pro or if you've already picked up one. Until next time everyone, take care.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.